At harapin muna ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy ang mga kasong isinampa laban sa kanya dito sa Pilipinas bago niya harapin ang mga kaso sa Amerika. Yan ang binigyang diin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, partikular na ang mga reklamong paglabag sa Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act. Wanted din si Kibuloy sa Amerika dahil sa mga kasong conspiracy to engage in sex trafficking by force, fraud and coercion, sex trafficking of children, conspiracy at bulk cash smuggling. Ayon sa Pangulo, sa ngayon ay wala pang natatanggap na extradition request ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas mula sa Amerika.
Well, the extradition request is not yet there. Besides, the judicial processes that Apollo Kibuloy is going to have to go through now, locally, still have to be done. Because we have, what has been done is that we have implemented and enforced an arrest warrant that was issued by the court. For the moment,